To create this dumbbell chart, we are going to click on the clustered bar chart, extend it. Next, I'm going to be using a couple of measures. The first one is this particular one, which is just the sales current year, which is the sum of the sales column in the orders table. Next is the sales last year, which is the sales current year. Then using the formula same period last year to calculate the sales last year. Then also another sales last year, which is just a duplicate of the sales last year that we've created earlier. We will need that in order to modify our clustered bar chart. Then sales variance, which is just the difference between the sales current year and sales last year. So let's populate our chart. I'll click on the build aspect of things. On the y-axis, I have the customer segments. I'm going to put that there. Then on the x-axis, I have the sales current year, sales last year, and the second sales last year too. So let me just close up this part for now. The next thing, I'm going to turn off the legend. On the y-axis, I'm going to turn off the title of the y-axis. The x-axis, I'm going to turn off the title as well. Next, I'm going to scroll down to where I have bars. I want to overlay all these bars. So I'll click on layout. Click on overlap, turn that on. Then space between series, I'm going to extend that to 100%. So we have this now. I'll scroll down to where I have error bars. Currently, we're on sales current year. I will enable the error bar for that. Click on my data part. The upper band of this is going to be the sales current year. The lower band is also going to be the sales current year. So you can see that we have something here. I'll change the marker so that it will be visible. I'll change that to round, increase the size to 10. Then for the sales last year, I'll select that, enable the error bar as well. The upper band is going to be the sales last year. Lower band is going to be the sales last year as well. Change the marker to round, increase the size to 10 as well. Then I'm going to click on the sales last year, the second one. So this is the one that is going to be the connecting line between the two, which is our variance. So the upper band is going to be the sales variance here. Then enable the error bar. So we have this here, but I'm going to change this from absolute to relative so that we have that connection. Next, I'm going to reduce the size of the border to 0. Finally, I'm going to get rid of these bars here by changing the transparency of my bar. So here that I have 0 transparency, I'm going to increase that to 100%. So we've changed that. Next is to change the colors of the markers. So where I have the current year, I'm going to change the color of the bar to blue. And I'm also going to change that of last year. I'm going to change the color of the bar to pink, some fit. Then the sales last year, the second one, I'm just going to turn off the marker. Now we have this. I can pull it for more.